Words of Advent, Day 24, Peace. Our word today is peace, but this word doesn't stand alone. It is embedded in a story of hope, joy, love, and peace. It is said so clearly in this newer Christmas hymn by the Gettys, called Joy Has Dawned. It could be called Love, Hope, and even Peace Has Dawned. Notice how many of our Advent words ring out. Hear the story again, echoing a world restored to peace by the Prince of Life. Joy has dawned upon the world, promise from creation, God's salvation now unfurled, hope for every nation, not with fanfares from above, not with scenes of glory, but a humble gift of love, Jesus born of Mary. Sounds of wonder fill the sky with the songs of angels, as the mighty Prince of Life shelters in a stable. Hands that set each star in place, shape the earth in darkness, cling now to a mother's breast, vulnerable and helpless. Shepherds bow before the Lamb, gazing at the glory. Gifts of men from distant lands prophesy the story. Gold, a king is born today. Incense, God is with us. Myrrh, his death will make a way, and by his blood he'll win us. Son of Adam, son of heaven, given as a ransom, reconciling God and man, Christ our mighty champion. What a Savior, what a friend, what a glorious mystery. Once a babe in Bethlehem, now the Lord of history. May his shalom reach into your hearts this Christmas Eve.